is Mr. Shadrock on the channel, and this is Logical Business TV, place where we teach ethical online information marketing business in the world. Do me a favor, or do us a favor in general, by subscribing, like, and share this video, so that whenever a video like this is released, you first to be notified right away on your email. In today's video, we are going to be looking at specifically how we can buy Airtel data at a very cheap price, and of course get 1% discount from doing that. Okay, in this video we are going to be looking at how you can purchase data for your own self or also for others. Are you with me now? So this video is going to be very brief, so we're not going to be spending much time on the video. So but the first thing you have to do is that you have to log into your personal account, which is free. You don't pay anything to join, on instantmobile.com.ng/client area. Okay, once on this page, which is where I am now, I'm already logged into my account. In this place you can see that I have a fund balance of 547 naira. Okay, you have to put in money into your wallet for you to do transaction, and to do that is very simple. Also, all you have to do, go to the left hand side and then click on fund wallet. When you click on fund wallet, you will see that here is the place where you can pay with ATM, but then we do not have ATM installed for the main purpose. Now our team are making technical maintenance on it, but you can get a bank account to pay. All you have to do is to click on bank account, bank details, you can see it, and follow the instructions, and for you to be able to fund your wallet. Okay, all you have to do, transfer any amount you want to fund your wallet to this account, which is displayed on the screen, and of course contact support via SMS or WhatsApp chat. Okay, in a couple of these we are going to be adding a WhatsApp chat, so that you can directly click on the WhatsApp chat to chat on support, but the description will be on the video below. So after doing that, after funding your wallet, what next are you to do? It's very simple. All you have to do is to click on, there's two things you can do. You can click on services here. That's the first way to locate the services. You can click on services. On this place you can see list of all the services available on the platform. Okay, so or you can go to click on the website name, which is Instant Mobile. Just click on it. You also see the list of services available. So on this place I'm going to select one services, which is Airtel. Okay, you can see there Airtel Data. I just click on that. When you click on that, then it will take you to the plan tab of Airtel. Okay, on this place you can able to see that this is Airtel Data. Then you can see the plans. All you have to do is click on that plan, click on the plans. On this plan you have to select the plan in which you want to subscribe for that particular number in which you want to buy Airtel plan. So from this place I'm going to buy Airtel of 100 naira, so I'm going to click on 100 naira, and it lasts for 30 days. Then phone number here simply means the phone in which you want to top up this particular line. So I'm going to enter the phone number. Make sure you don't make mistake, because if you make mistake here, the system will deliver the service to the number in which you receive, and everything is automated in this place. So do not make funny mistake here. You must make sure you cross check the line to make sure that it is real, and of course if you are buying for a client, you make sure that the client supply you the real line. So I'm very careful on entering the number, so that I will not make mistake of sending data to another line which is not the line we're supposed to be subscribed. So I just input the number here, which you can see, and of course the amount is to pay is 100 naira. Remember, I promised you in this video that every subscription you do on Airtel you get 1% discount. So you're not going to pay 100 naira, you're paying less than the amount. So I'm going to click on continue. So when I click on continue, it will take me to a place where I will see the summary of what I am to order. Okay, so all I have to do here is to click on pay with wallet. Okay, just simply click on pay with wallet. When you scroll down, you click on pay with wallet. And wait for the system to process the order. And once everything is confirmed, your details are correct, and then the system has validated your order, all you have to get is a screenshot telling you that your order is successful. Okay, so we are waiting for that very screenshot, and once that screenshot shows, all you have to do is to wait for a few moments. Oh, that's good. You can see the transaction is what, successful. All I have to do is to click on OK. So when I click on OK, I can click on continue, so I can see the details of my transaction. Okay, I can download the invoice or receipt or even print it out once I need, and also show to the client. That's if I subscribe for a client. So this is how you can subscribe for data on Airtel and of course make some money. And of course you can see on this the amount that was charged was actually not 100 naira but what, 99 naira. You can see the amount charged was 99 naira. Okay, now when you go to your dashboard, you can see that you have just made 1 naira for doing this particular Airtel data subscription. So you can be making some little amount of money. With time, most of these commissions will be increased with time. So please like, share this video, and of course stay tuned on the channel, because we are going to be making so many lectures that regard to how you can buy 1 or 2 products on this platform, on our platform, because most people will be demanding that, oh, you are only always reviewing the business part of telecommunication. What about the services? So we have taken time to make sure that every services are all available. So we have been going to be walking you step by step on how you can buy products, and of course how you can actually make a lot of money by selling those products on telecommunications, how you can become a vendor, how you can become a reseller, and how you can make money in this year or even next year to come. So stick with us in the channel, subscribe, like, share this video. We are going to be making so many reviews, and of course so many business opportunities are on the way. We are going to be packaging so many things on the way, so please do not skip, or maybe don't leave without subscribing, and share this video to friends that want to get this kind of services. Thanks, and remain blessed. Remember my quote, see you at the top, I don't want to see you at the bottom. Thanks and God bless.